How to get Trello token. Want to connect your Trello with apps or automations? Here's how to get your Trello API token step by step. So first, log into Trello, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then select settings, and then select profile and visibility, and this would take you into your browser. So on your browser, you'll need to sign in to your Trello account. So once you're signed into your account, go ahead and click on this three dot button at the top right of the specific page, select account, and then from here select settings, and that will take you here. So click on the top left and then scroll down, and you should find your token. So copy and save your tokens securely, treat it like a password, and never share it publicly. Store your token in environment variables, revoke it anytime from the developer page, and blur it for your safety. And that is how to get Trello token.